Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. In today's video tip, we're going to talk about chart scales and how to select the best chart scales, whether you're sailing or cruising offshore, along the coast, or entering inland waters. Look to the title block on your chart to find the chart scale. When you look at a chart scale, always concentrate on the second number. You want to compare this second number to the chart scale on another chart. A smaller second number means that you have a larger scale chart, and this will give you greater detail for safe navigation. Take a look at this chart on a scale of 1 to 80,000 and compare it to another chart on a scale of 1 to 40,000. The 1 to 40,000 scale chart shows a smaller second number than the 1 to 80,000 scale chart. You will have much greater detail on the chart that shows a scale of 1 to 40,000. This will be ideal for entering harbors and anchorages, marking your chart for shoals and dangers, and finding the safest water for sailing and cruising. Now let's break chart scale selection into three parts. For offshore work, you want scales smaller than 1 to 80,000. Your first priority for navigation will be electronics like GPS, and your second priority will be visual bearings, followed by navigation by eye. For coastal work, where you're approaching landfall or sailing near the coast, choose a scale close to 1 to 80,000. Your first priority in navigation should be visual bearings and good visibility, followed by navigation by eye, and your third priority for navigation will be electronics like GPS or radar if installed. As you enter inland waters, choose scales greater than 1 to 80,000. Your first priority for navigation in these waters will be navigation by eye, followed by electronics like radar or GPS, and your third priority will be visual bearings. Remember to always use more than one type of navigation to confirm and verify your position. Now you know how to choose the perfect chart scale for safer sailing or cruising. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.